Mangayan na Tayuji rambutan, Nephelium lapiseum, commonly known as rambutan, is a tree native to Malaysia. It produces small fruits with reddish-colored, leathery skin covered in flexible spines or hairs known as spinterns. The name comes from the Malayan word /rambut, which translates to hair in English, technically classified as berries. Rambutan fruits are juicy, sweet, and mildly acidic due to their high concentration of vitamin C. In addition to being a rich source of vitamin C, rambutans provide fiber, protective plant compounds, and several vitamins and minerals. Rambutans are nutritious and provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, but they're especially rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that plays important roles in immune and skin health and acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. Antioxidants protect against disease development by neutralizing reactive molecules called free radicals. A high amount of free radicals in the body can contribute to negative health outcomes. Vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies have shown that rambutan may have the following properties. It may be an antioxidant. It may act against microbial infections. It may reduce inflammation. It may reduce blood glucose levels. It may act against cancer. It may lower blood pressure. It may relieve fever. It may delete worms from the intestine. Rambutans are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, so you can eat them every day. However, rambutan is abundant in natural sugars and may raise blood sugar levels. Thus, it is safe to consume only 5 to 6 per day. Rambutans are considered at optimum maturity and ready for harvest from 12 to 16 weeks after commencement of flowering, when the fruit are fully colored red or yellow.